Now, isn't that exactly like learning goes in the classroom? You're right in the middle of teaching a small group or reading a chapter in the series that you're reading as a class, and your blurter blurts out, or you get a phone call that somebody's parent was there to pick them up for a dentist appointment, or another teacher comes in because she needs to borrow something that you have. There are always interruptions, right? But as I was saying, if you create an environment that in general fosters the mindset that we ask questions and we wonder about things, we are curious about nature, we're curious about each other, we're curious about why things work and how they work, and it's that curiosity that actually drives the instruction. And what I learned is if I invest my time this next school year in framing these lessons, curating the literature that I give them access to, and setting them up to ask really rich questions, really higher order thinking questions, and then I give them the freedom to chase those answers, and I give them the materials, and I give them the instruction and the model that comes with interacting with the materials, and I allow them to construct their answers, and in some ways take those artifacts and use them as their assessment. What if I did that? Will I see in general more mastery of the content and the skills that I'm trying to teach? In my pilot research, I did see that. I saw students not only memorizing a couple facts about the moon, but rather they incorporated multiple facts about the shape of the moon, the texture, how it happens, what happens, all kinds of things that if I hadn't spent the time framing, if I hadn't given them the opportunity and the materials and the modeling as to how to make that learning meaningful in the creation of their artifact, it may not have happened. So that is something that I will continue to research this year, and I hope that you're inspired in some way to shift your mindset just a little to make room for the construction of things and the chasing of questions in your classroom this year.